Hello all. Today we are going to talk about another interesting AI subject which is Unreal Engine and MetaHuman. Well, we all know or we would have seen 3D games in our lifetime. Definitely we would have placed at least one game or two games maybe. Considering these facts, Unreal Engine is one of the most popular engine which is being used in the gaming industry. Not that Unreal Engine is also used to make animation movies. The power of Unreal Engine is not just animation, but it can also coordinate with other scripting languages such as Python, C, and .NET. This gives more ability and more flexibility for Unreal Engine and keep it more realistic. Of late, we can see another interesting product coming as part of Unreal Engine, and it is called MetaHuman. You might wonder what is MetaHuman. MetaHuman is nothing but a service or a product which Unreal Engine people have launched. It gives a humanoid which is almost close to a real human. You can do small things like change the smile, or you can give emotional behavior. You can also allow a little bit of dressing, coloring, whatnot. Now, what is more interesting is this Unreal Engine's product MetaHuman can also be linked with Unreal Engine and build a scene around it using camera tricks. Imagine you are a movie producer. You would not like to always keep a green screen, invest tons of money into building all the infrastructure around it. What you would smartly do is build an Unreal Engine around it and import MetaHuman into it, and this enables more of a real-time scenario. Of course, one can identify that okay, this is an animation part, it's not just a human thing, but it's the call of the movie producer to take whether he wants to invest tons of money into infrastructure or just amount of time into these kind of products. These products are really eye-catchy. For example, we'll show a small sample where we did a humanoid using Unreal Engine's MetaHuman, and this is more of a Japanese flavor, I would say. If you look at this particular humanoid, it's very interesting. It gives a lot of emotions, like we said before. It also allows jumping and other actions when you embed with Unreal Engine. Now, these are powerful systems and you need really powerful computers. Of course, this is one of the most difficult or the pain points. But wait, here is a solution to it. Of late, Unreal Engine is also coming as part of the cloud packages across AWS. You can always go and subscribe to AWS on a per user basis and per hour basis. Use Unreal Engine pay per use formula. It's as simple as that. And you don't need to invest so much of money into buying powerful infrastructure or computers. Rather, you should focus more on the skills toward using Unreal Engine and building a wonderful movie or an animation or whatnot. This gives more flexibility to developers and also to the producers who can actually reap the benefits out of technology rather than investing too much money. So this is one of the interesting things which we wanted to show. See you in the next video with another interesting facts and figures.